Alright, I decided to go ahead and paint the whole back wall just because I really want it to get as bright as possible in here. And it's cheaper to paint than it is to buy more lights. So slowly starting to move stuff back. Now what I'm going to do next is build a rack that will bolt to the back wall here that I can put my screwdrivers in and my wrenches. And Wednesday I'll be getting a light. I ordered it. And let's see, that's what I'm going to do next, is build a rack to put all my I got new screwdrivers, new Torx, new picks to pull rubber grommets out and stuff with, and all my, these that I bent, these help me with fuel lines in chainsaws. Reach up in the gas tank, grab a hold of the fuel line. This is one of my carburetor adjustment tools. And these are all things that I want handy. This is my magnet because I drop a lot of crap. All these, I gotta have all these handy, so I gotta build a rack that will hold all of them side by side, or not necessarily side by side, but easily accessible. Got my wrenches up, slowly coming together. I'm gonna go in and visit with my wife a minute. Oh yeah, February 7th, I got an appointment for an ultrasound on my thyroid, and that's all I know so far. No matter what it is, it's, you know, no matter what is wrong with my thyroid, there is, it's treatable. And I am already having symptoms of a thyroid that's not acting right. Rapid heartbeat, hard to swallow, hard to breathe, and a few other things that are indicative of a thyroid that's not operating properly. So anyway, not a big deal. Just gonna take one day at a time and not Google too much, because you can sure get scared if you know too much. Alrighty, I'm gonna go take a break. I'll be back. Alright, I made a little table for my Makita. I left enough room for all four of my batteries to go over here. And I'm going to paint that, but I'm going to make my tool rack for up here next. That's next. This is what I got so far. And I think it's going to leave me with enough room to put all the pliers that I need in here. So let me get to doing that. I forgot about this. I like to keep that handy too, so I'll put that right here. Alrighty, I'm gonna keep working. I'll have this done up and painted, the tools in it. I'll have that Makita tool rack painted, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm just gonna start moving crap back in here and putting it away and throwing stuff away that I don't need, because clutter, you know, I just hate clutter. Alrighty, let me finish this up. Alright, it is up there, sanded. Went ahead and painted the bottom, and I mounted it. Now I'm going to paint the rest of it, 2 coats, and put my tools in it and paint that. And I think I'm done with the after that it's all just putting stuff back. Let me give you a long ways away shot. Still got tons of crap to put back up, but I'm getting there. I'm almost done. Whoa, that's just too much light, said no one ever. That's one bright light. All right, I'm waiting on my light that goes up under here. I'll have that today. I'm going to paint my bench, and I'm done. I'll show you one last shot when I get everything done. All right, I finally got my light, but I gotta tell you, it comes in this tube and it is packed in there so tight, you gotta be very, very careful when you open it that you don't cut into the cord or the light. Just lucky that I cut where I did, because another inch and I would have been into the cord. So if you, and I'm going to leave a link to this light and that light. That light is amazing bright. Absolutely amazing. And it is way brighter than my double fluorescence. And I am slowly going to be replacing all my fluorescents with this LED light here. And in the description, I will leave a link to that light and this light here. This, I'm fixing to mount it right up on here. And then I'm going to paint this, and then I'm going to stand back and give you a money shot. See you in a little bit. Here's how they mount. Got two little metal clips. And take this, you snap it up in there. I think I'm going to need both hands. Yeah, I am. There we go. Let me back up some. Ow. Yeah, much more organized and have more room. And I like that light. Alrighty. Thanks for watching my shop remodel. I don't know what I'm doing next. Probably going to work on some knives. Thanks for watching, y'all. You pretty girl. Did you see a dog on TV? Is that dog in your house? Did that dog get in your house? Don't let that dog get in here. He'll jump out of that TV right into here. Right into here.
Come on, sofa. Come on, dining room table. Come on, flat screen TV.